Hot air solder levering, or HASL, for both leaded and lead-free processes is a common PCB surface finish that provides a surface finish which is similar to the solder used to solder the components. It's important to note that the surface is not as flat as ENIG or immersion tin, making it unsuitable for fine-pitch SMD components. First, we clean the PCB to make sure that the copper is ready for solder. Then we apply a flux to remove any oxides from the copper surface. Next, the PCB is lowered into a bath of molten solder for a certain time and with the solder bath at a specific temperature, which sticks to the copper areas. As the PCB is withdrawn from the solder bath at a certain speed, air knives running the width of the panel that blow hot air onto the panel surface remove any excess solder, ensuring we keep the right amount on the areas we need to be solderable. After that, we clean the PCBs to remove any leftover flux that could cause corrosion or electrical issues. It's important to control the copper content in the solder bath and remove impurities to maintain a good solder surface. It should be noticed that this principle is the same whether we are running a lead-free or a leaded HASL. Of course, some of the temperatures and other parameters may change, but the principle remains. NCAB has quality staff in the factory to make sure the process works as it should. They monitor controls, conduct tests for superior quality and solderability. We ensure controlled thickness of deposit and controlled shelf life given the right storage conditions.